I need to remove this contact form from the header. And I'm going to show you, if you don't know anything about a website, you don't know anything about programming, what you can do to figure this out. So we need to remove this thing from our header. Now, we've got multiple different pages, right? We've got this gallery page. We've got the main page. We've got a booking page. It's not on the booking page. And we'll open our coding folder or our website folder. And within that, we've got like 7 pages. So we've got a thank you page, index page, a first step services, gallery, first step detailing. So let's just check out. I think it's on pretty much all of the pages other than book now. So we can start with index. And if you don't know what you're looking at, press F12. And with F12, you can kind of search through the website to find specifically what you're looking for. So we're going to find the area where our contact button is highlighted in blue. These purple bars are your margins. Same thing with the green. You go into your header, and then within your header, you can scroll down and find your highlight section on contact, the nav. Within the nav, you've got a href for this. All we have to do is remove this. This is essentially saying we will go to this page of the website if you click on this word. So you can change it in here to see what happens. So you can see we just changed it to DJK or DKJ or whatever. That is not an official thing. That's not going to officially change it, but that's how you can kind of, see what you're working on, right? So this right here, we want to remove this from all of the pages. So all we're going to do is we can copy this line. Not now that I fucking changed it, we'll copy the one above it and we'll just enter it in here. We're not doing all that. That's not going to work. We're just going to look for href. And then within the header right here, the nav, href, right here, this, I want to copy that. And then we're going to delete this. What's going on with the freaking structure of this HTML file? This looks like trash. Don't move. For me, these arrows, these closing arrows, need to stay intact. So this is what a line should look like. This is jacked up. So the AI did fuck up here. But we're going to remove that. And so we remove that from the index page. And right, you'll be able to see this live. Hold on. What the hell? Okay, I don't know what is happening with my stuff. But you can see live. We'll edit stuff and it'll update. So if we go to first step services, the service page, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to look for href, first step services. I copied what I need. Oh my gosh. It's right here. It's literally right here. We're just going to delete it and you can see it's going to update. It's going to update live. The same thing. We're going to go to the gallery and then we're already here. Delete that. And then we'll go to, I don't know what page this is. I don't know what page this is. Let's go to this page real quick. Okay. We've got multiple home pages. And I'm going to tell you, this is the home page. This is irrelevant. This doesn't even need to exist. But for whatever reason, if the AI made it so we go back to this page whenever we click up here, we're going to update it. And then we're getting rid of our contacts page. That's why we're removing this. But it's not in the booking HTML. I don't know if it's in the thank you page. I don't think so. It's not in here. So that's how we simply just remove that. Removing's easy. It's when you got to add things where it could get complicated and confusing, because sometimes CSS does play a role. But let's say we did actually want to change. Well, let's say we wanted to add 2 more of these of different pages. So we're gonna go back to our hrefs, and all you have to do is you just need to copy these hrefs. I'm gonna start that right. It should look like this, bracket A, close bracket, like that. And then you'll see if we add 2 of these are going to pop up. See, I don't even know what page we're on. Yeah, this is what happened. Whenever you click on this, we're going to freaking first step. We're going to this page, which is ridiculous. Maybe not. Well, I didn't change that one. I changed this one. So that's pretty ridiculous. But you can see href, we've got those 2 galleries in here. Now, this is perfect. I need to change this. I don't know how to do that. I need to change this part right here to go to index HTML. So what we're going to do is, I already know it's in the header section. I mean, it's right here. And then href, first step detailing HTML. So this is, I can tell you right now, this is what this is. But if you didn't know that, all you got to do is, if you press F12, you can do the same thing. Scroll down. Hold on. All right. Body, header, A, class, brand, href. So we got class, brand, href. There. That's all we got to do. And then, I mean, that's how you locate it. Class. So what is a class? A class is something specifically like a name. We're naming this section right here brand. And with that, we can then go into our CSS and edit things as needed. We're not doing all of that. Same thing here. Go to header. Oh, what is this? The gallery? Oh, I need to update that real quick. Let me remove these. And then we're going to go to the thank you page. And header. Header class, thank you, header. So this will go back to the index HTML, which is good. A lot of this code is kind of jacked up, which is great. Header, we've got, you can see how it should not be different between all pages. It should be pretty standard like this. This is good. How this is set up is good. But, I mean, this is the page I'm trying to get rid of. Like with this little bracket should not be here. These all need to be pushed up some for it to be considered right. Either way, those are some basics on how to adjust the website slightly. And then once you do all your editing, you can open up your terminal and then upload.